What?
Let her rip a hole in her nose and pull.
Just hang out with Story. Be careful.
Oh, no. What are you doing, Nani?
Y'all are silly.
What if I lay him down right next to her real quick?
Do you want me to put her on the carpet?
The key word.
No.
Maybe we can try it. Maybe scoot her that way a little bit.
You ready?
I'm here.
Watch his hand there.
Who's that toy? That's really funny.
You don't look good on pink.
I know. He's like, what's up with this? Y'all are sabotaging me. Oh, sorry, you were moving. Oh, now she looks at me. She's like, I'm still. Promise. That's really funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, big boy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made you lay on pink. I'm sorry.
Oh, you want your friend